Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible device and account credentials. Once those are ready, install ZConnect from the official store. Open the app and sign in with your email and password. Then set up 2FA, use SMS, or an authenticator app depending on your preference. Make sure to grant camera and location permissions now so features work later. Once done, complete the quick profile prompts. This helps the app personalize recommendations and speeds up subsequent steps. Now you complete the core setup to use ZConnect effectively. Fill your profile fields and upload a photo so others recognize you. This improves trust and searchability. Next, link cloud backup and calendar sync. This preserves data and enables smart scheduling features. Then, customize notifications. Pick push for urgent alerts, email for summaries, or silent for background-only updates. Once configured, explore the main dashboard to learn navigation. This reduces friction when you start daily tasks. Finish by verifying everything works. Send a test message, create an event, and confirm sync completes. Make sure automatic backups are enabled so you can restore settings if needed. Export preferences for a manual copy. If something goes wrong, first force close the app and clear cache, then retry sign-in. If issues persist, toggle permissions or reinstall after backing up. This often resolves corrupt installs. Finally, bookmark the help section and set a reminder to review privacy and notification settings monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.